Employers must ensure that the safety data sheets are readily accessible to all employees for all hazardous chemicals in their workplace. Keep watching to get a complete understanding of the SDSs. Safety Data Sheets 101. The International Hazard Communication Standard requires chemical manufacturers to communicate all chemical hazard information to chemical handlers by supplying safety data sheets, SDS. These documents are not only a crucial piece in the prevention of workplace accidents relating to the handling of chemicals, they are invaluable in times of workplace emergency. Various countries and U.S. regulatory agencies have different requirements for hazard definitions and the information to be included in safety data sheets. The Globally Harmonized System. The Globally Harmonized System, or GHS, was created for standardizing the classification and labeling of chemicals. It helps to define the physical and environmental hazards of a given chemical and communicate that information on labels and safety data sheets, SDS, in an easy-to-follow format that is consistent for all chemical products. Safety Data Sheet Sections. There are 16 total sections to the Safety Data Sheet. Let's take a moment to go through these. Section 1. This section provides identification information pertaining to the chemical product and the manufacturer of the product. In addition, the intended use of the product is listed to ensure that the end user is properly utilizing the product. Section 2. This section contains information regarding all hazards associated with the chemical or product. Section 3. This section lists the chemical composition of the materials, including the CAS number, the chemical name, and the ingredient percentages, as well as the classification for each chemical. Section 4. This section includes information regarding first aid measures to be followed for various symptoms caused by incorrect use or accidental misuse of the product. Section 5. This section, the firefighting measures, are broken up into specific subsections, including extinguishing media, special hazards arising from the substance or mixture, advice for firefighters, and references to other sections in the SDS. Section 6. This section lists emergency procedures, protective equipment, and proper containment and cleanup methods. In addition, there are any references to other sections of the SDS that are important to accidental release of a chemical product. Section 7. This section covers the proper handling and storage recommendation for the chemical product. Section 8. This section specifies permissible exposure limits, PELSs, threshold limit values, TLVSs, personal protective equipment, PPE, and appropriate engineering controls for the chemical product. Section 9. This section provides basic information related to the physical and chemical properties of the product. Section 10. This section contains information regarding the stability and reactivity of a chemical product that is composed of 3 subsections: reactivity, chemical stability, and miscellaneous information about the product. Section 11. This section provides a complete description of health effects and data used to identify the health hazards for a chemical product. Section 12. This section includes information regarding the environmental impacts of the chemical product if it were released to the environment. This information may include specifics regarding biodegradation, toxicity to fish, mobility in soil, and other adverse effects. Section 13. This section includes information regarding proper disposal practices of the chemical product. Section 14. This section covers the classification information for shipping and transporting of hazardous chemicals by air, rail, road, or sea. Section 15. This section identifies the safety, health, and environmental regulations specific for the product that is not indicated anywhere else on the safety data sheet. Section 16. This section includes information regarding the last known revision date of the SDS. You may want to contact the manufacturer to receive clarification of the revisions. If you need help creating one for your business, then we welcome you to get in touch with our experts today and explore our SDS solutions. Visit us online, give us a call, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe before you go.